What if Chevrolet revived the legendary Chevelle for 2027 and turned it into the ultimate modern muscle car? This stunning concept blends the timeless DNA of the classic Chevelle SS with cutting-edge technology, supercar-inspired styling, and incredible performance. Let's take a closer look. From the front, the 2027 Chevelle SS immediately commands attention. The long sculpted hood, aggressive black grille, and iconic quad-round LED headlights instantly remind you of the legendary Chevelle from the golden era of American muscle. A carbon fiber front splitter, oversized air intakes, and sharp aerodynamic lines give it an aggressive, performance-focused appearance while keeping its classic identity alive. It's bold, modern, and unmistakably Chevrolet. The side profile is where the Chevelle's heritage truly shines. It keeps the signature long hood and short rear deck proportions that made the original famous. Wide rear fenders, forged black performance wheels, low-profile tires, carbon fiber side skirts, and subtle SS badging create a muscular yet elegant look. The clean body lines make this coupe appear planted, powerful, and ready to dominate both the street and the track. At the rear, the Chevelle looks every bit as dramatic. Four circular LED taillights pay tribute to the classic model, while a gloss black rear panel stretches across the width of the car. The aggressive carbon fiber diffuser and quad exhaust tips complete the performance-inspired design. Although Chevrolet hasn't confirmed specifications, this concept looks ready for a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 producing around 700 to 800 horsepower paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. That could mean 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds with a top speed close to 200 miles per hour. Inside, the cabin perfectly blends luxury and performance. A fully digital instrument cluster sits behind a sporty multifunction steering wheel, while a wide touchscreen dominates the dashboard. Premium quilted white leather seats, carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and a clean driver-focused center console create an upscale atmosphere. It's modern, comfortable, and still proudly carries the iconic SS identity. The 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a perfect example of how a legendary muscle car can be reimagined without losing its soul. It respects the past while embracing the future with breathtaking styling, premium luxury, and incredible performance. Would you like to see Chevrolet actually build this modern Chevelle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next automotive review.